Question number 31. Dhamma is the Prakrit form of Sanskrit word that is dharma, meaning according to the context, the universal law or righteousness by the social extension and religious order as found in the Hindu society. Statement 2. The term Dhamma was propagated by Ashoka for Buddhism when he adopted the same and started propagating it. Dekhiye, both the statements are right. Okay, statement 1 is also right and statement 2 is also right. And why did Ashoka has chosen it? Because it is the Ashoka has chosen it because he felt that Dhamma, meaning that is universal law or righteousness. The explanations are supporting each other. The statement is there. The statements support also the explanation of A and statement 1 and 2. If you look into it, is both the statements are right. Okay, statement 1 is true. This is also true. Statement 2 is also true. Both the statements are correct, and the answer is A. Even if assertion and reasoning agar diya gaya, more or less, they are also complementing each other here. Let's look into the next question. Question number 32. Given below are two statements. Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi had written in Pratap that if Maharana Pratap had been in any other country except slave India, you would have been worshipped all over the country. If you were in America like Washington or Lincoln, if you were in England like Wellington or Nelson, if you were in France, you would be worshipped like John of Arc, or if you were in Italy, you would be worshipped like Mazni. So, statement 2, Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi used to bring out a magazine named Pratap from Rajasthan in 1915. See, look here. Statement 1 is right, but statement 2, it is incorrect. He said Pratap from Rajasthan. This is not a right statement. So the answer here is statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is wrong. ठीक है? Answer क्या है? C है. The question number 33. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, in spite of opposition from Jinnah in 1937-39, the Congress did not stop singing Vande Mataram in the legislative councils. Yes, the statement is, if you look into, yes, statement sahi hai. Or statement 2, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan said, first he fought for Congress, now he will fight against the unity of India. देखिए, ये statement absolutely wrong है. ये काफी famous question है. The answer here is C. It is statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is wrong. Question number 34. It is articles with respect to and the articles and its provisions. So look into the article. It is quite clear that you'll understand that article 243. ये जो 243 है, deals with state election commission. Now A is 2. Let's look out for A2. देखिए, it is outrightly you'll get it as D. Now B1. It is State Finance Commission 243(1) and 243(z)(d). It is Committee for District Planning, and 243(z) it is E, Committee for Metropolitan Planning. So answer here is D. Next question. Match the list 1 with list 2. Sanskritization, it was a word which was given by M.N. Srinivas. ठीक है? Right? And secularization of caste, it was given by D.L. Sethi. Social revolution, it was given by Granville Austin. And lastly, politicization of caste, it was given by Rajni Kotari. So these are the answer. The answer here is B. Question number 36. Arrange the following elements in the decreasing order of their availability in terms of percentage by weight in the Earth's crust. See, if you look into the percentage by Earth crust, it is oxygen has 46%, silicon has near about 27%, and iron has around 5%. And lastly, if you look into the sodium, it is hardly 2.8% pe hai. So now it's asked about availability of percentage in the Earth crust in the decreasing order. So oxygen, then you have silicon, then you have iron and sodium, right? So let's look out for the answer. The answer in the correct given order is 3, 1, 2, 4. It is your B. The answer here is B. Right? Next. Question number 37. Match the list 1 with list 2. Cirque. Cirque एक glacial lake होता है. Imagine this is your mountain, and in this mountain, imagine you might get to see some lakes which are formed at the bottom of this valley, and these lakes are called as cirque lakes. So एक glacial lake होता है. So where do you find? Let's look for this statement. The most common landform of glaciated mountains. So C2. Let's look for C2. Here C1, C2. So you will eliminate A and you will eliminate B. Then you will come to C2. Either it is C or it is D. Now let's look for other terms. Lapis. Lapis क्या होता है? Lapis, it is nothing but the landform formed when most of the limestone, ये जो limestone landform होता है ना, it's a limestone, that is karst topography की part है. So it is B4. So where do you find B4? Again, so quite a good question. It is B4. Let's look out for natural levees. ये natural levees क्या है? Natural levees you will find when there are flood plains. तो flood plains यहाँ पर है. तो natural levees are whenever there is excess of flooding, you will get to see certain boundaries that are naturally formed by the sand material. That sand material boundaries on the next to the river channel, it is called as the natural levees. So C is 1. So let's look out for C1. So natural levees. So it is quite a confusing question here. Let's next, lastly, it is your peneplain. A2, B4. Okay. So here the answer would be A2. Yes. B, lapis would be your 4. B4. A2. And natural levees C1. And D, peneplain is this. So it is your A. ठीक है. So I misread it. Don't worry. The right answer is A. ठीक है. A is your answer. Right? Yes. No doubt 100% answer A है. Next question. Question number 38. Sorry, 38. Now, given below are two statements. Statement 1, in 1960, the government of India, under the Food and Agriculture Minister, that is Chidambaram Subramaniam, launched the Green Revolution with the help of the gene scientist, that is M.S. Swaminathan. Yes, the statement is right. The then Food and Agriculture Minister is Chidambaram Subramaniam. Statement 1 is right. During statement 2, let's look into the statement 2. During Green Revolution, high-yielding varieties of dwarf rice seeds, namely Limora Roja 78. No, it is IR8. The rice varieties are IR8. So Sonara 64 was introduced in India, which were imported from Japan. No, this statement is wrong. The statement 1 is right. Statement 2 is galat. So both the statement 1 and 2 are correct. No, both. The answer would be statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is wrong. Answer होता है C. ठीक है? Question number 39. Let's look into these statements. Statement 1, the National Food Security Mission of India was launched in October 2009. Yes, the statement is right. The mission was launched with an objective to increase the annual production of rice. Yes, 10 million production increase करने के लिए बात हुआ था, 10 million tons, and wheat को 8 million tons की increase करने के लिए, और pulses को 4 million tons. Yes. So this statement is also right. So answer है A. दोनों statement सही है. Both the statement, it is both statements 1 and 2 are correct. Next, question number 40. Let's look into this question. Given below are some of the definitions of human geography as defined by famous geographers. Identify the pair which are rightly matched. Let's look into the statements. The human geography is systemic study of the relationship between human societies and Earth's surface. Yes, it is said by Frederick Ratzel. Yes, this statement is right. Now, human geography is the study of changing relationships between unresting man and unstable Earth. This statement is also right. It is given by Ellen Semple. Statement 3, human geography offers a new conception of interrelationship between Earth and human beings. Now, this statement, it was given by Vidal de Lave. ये French है, Vidal de Lave. So, he's a French geographer who talks about possibilism. ये possibilism is nothing but they always look out for something can be achieved, something can be framed, something can be formed in geography. That is, it is given by Vidal, so this statement is wrong. And lastly, human geography may be defined as the study of nature and distribution of relationships between geographical environment and human activities and qualities. So this statement is given by, it is Ellsworth Huntington. So ये दोनों statements को interchange किया गया था. So answer would be 1 and 2 only. So where is the statement of 1 and 2? यहाँ C, option C is the right answer. ठीक है, option C is the right answer.